Alright, so this is a short video, part of my existing video. So remarkable again, remarkable repair. So as I was trying to give an answer for a question, like if we repair a remarkable power button, and what would be the status for the data. So I love to give the answer that after repair the power button, your device should not lose any data, and the device should be up and running with the data right before happening the crash. So again, in our previous experience, no issue with the data. Every customer was very satisfied, and a lot of customer even they mentioned the data was exactly same as before crashing the system, I mean device. So even we don't need the passcode or password for getting to the device, because no reason is the hardware repair, is just the physical button itself. So we don't need the passcode or anything, so you don't have to share anything with that, because we are not going to access anyway. That was the information. And again, this is Morshed. If you have any question, feel free to give us a call during business hours. Normally we open Monday to Friday 9 to 6. Friday we close for 2 hours, which is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Saturday we open 10 to 3 p.m. is the Eastern time. We are located in Bradenton, Florida. The specific store location address is 1829 Lakewood Range Boulevard, Bradenton, Florida. Zip code is 34211, and our call store number is 941-567-6431, and website address is computersrepairplus.com. And if you would like to send your device to repair, please contact us with your name, address, contact information, blah blah, and then we can create a account and ticket request in our system for your device. And also please send us the tracking number when you're shipping the device to our address. And we received so many devices here without any information. So customer just send the device and never call, or no email, no communication, even no sticky note inside the boxes or anything. So it's very difficult for us to find out, and at that point we just have to keep inside and waiting for the customer call to us to inquire regarding their device. If we don't have any information in our system regarding your device package or your personal information to contact, then unfortunately we could not find the we cannot work on it. So please make sure when you shipped the device to us, please contact with us with your tracking number, first name, last name, phone number, email address, also the return shipping address, and that way we can put all this information to the ticket, and then we will know we can faster process rather than delaying. Again, thank you so much to watching the video and sending the business to us, and really appreciate, very grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. And again, always here if you have any question. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.